Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the heart set on the sky achievement. It says earn all titles from the hot air balloon event. Super simple, and you can do this by yourself in one event. So talk to Gazing Boy here in the hot air balloon area. Select hot air balloon event and choose this route because it is faster. Start it, confirm. And don't forget to bring a musical instrument because you need it. Press start now. And here are the 4 things you will need to do. I'm just going to wait for it to lift off to the sky. So, okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is such a cool update. Hopefully this is permanent though. I'm not 100% sure. But I can only hope. Okay, the first one you need to obtain is the chatting title. I don't know what specific title you'll need, but you're just going to press chat and type in anything you want. So I'll just type in some stuff. Maybe this much is fine. Then you're going to want to take pictures. Just take at least 3. Whoops, don't jump. Don't jump off the hot air balloon. I'm just going to randomly take 3 pictures here. And then you are going to get out your musical instrument and you're just going to play it. I just played something random. Just randomly play it for about 10 seconds is okay. You don't need to play it for longer. Okay, once you are done playing, the last one you will need is to do some actions. So let's get out here. Press this button and just do a minimum of 3. I think I did 4, but I think 3 is enough. Just do 3 different actions, and once you land, you'll get the achievement. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.